Welcome to SS Learning Portal. Today we are going to discuss the topic from the social history of England. Today's topic is the introduction to the Renaissance. The Renaissance was a glorious period of European cultural, artistic, political, and economic rebirth following the Middle Ages from the 14th century to the 17th century. The Renaissance promoted the rediscovery of classical philosophy, literature, and art. Some of the greatest thinkers, authors, statesmen, scientists, and artists in human history emerged during this era. The Renaissance is credited with bridging the gap between the Middle Ages and modern day civilization, from darkness to light. Before the Renaissance, the age of Middle Age is also known as the age of dark, so that it is called as Dark Ages. It is often branded as a time of war, ignorance, famine, and pandemics such as the Black Death. Humanism. During the 14th century, a cultural movement called Humanism began to gain momentum in Italy. Among its many principles, Humanism promoted the idea that man was the center of his own universe and people should embrace human achievements in education, classical arts, literature, and science. And furthermore, in 1450, the invention of the Gutenberg printing press allowed for improved communication throughout Europe and for ideas to spread more quickly. The Renaissance started in Florence, Italy, a place with a rich cultural history where wealthy citizens could afford to support budding artists. Great Italian writers, art, artists, politicians, and others declared that they were participating in an intellectual and artistic revolution that would be much different from what they experienced during the Dark Ages. The movement first expanded to other Italian city states such as Venice, Milan, Bologna, Ferrara, and Rome. Then, during the 15th century, Renaissance ideas spread from Italy to France and then throughout Western and Northern Europe. Although other European countries experienced the Renaissance later than Italy, the impacts were still revolutionary. Renaissance genius. Let us see some of the most genius in Renaissance period. Some of the most and groundbreaking Renaissance intellectuals, artists, scientists, and writers include the likes of first and foremost Leonardo da Vinci, Italian painter, architect, inventor, and Renaissance man. He is known as Renaissance man, responsible for painting the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. And then Desiderius Erasmus, scholar from Holland who defined the humanist movement in Northern Europe, translator of the New Testament into Greek. Next one, Rene Descartes, French philosopher and mathematician regarded as a father of modern philosophy, famous for stating, I think, therefore I am. And then Galileo, Italian astronomer, physicist, and engineer whose pioneering work with telescope enabled him to describe the moons of Jupiter and rings of Saturn placed under house arrest for his views of a heliocentric universe. Next person, Nicholas Copernicus. He is a great mathematician and astronomer who made first modern scientific argument for the concept of a heliocentric solar system. Next, Thomas Hobbes, English philosopher and author of Leviathan. And then Geoffrey Chaucer, English poet and author of the great work, The Canterbury Tales. And then he was called as the father of English poetry. Next person, Giotto, Italian painter and architect whose more realistic depiction of human emotions influenced the generation of artists, best known for his frescoes in the chapel in Padua. Then Dante, Italian philosopher, poet, writer, and political thinker who authored the great work, The Divine Comedy. Next, we move on to Niccolo Machiavelli, Italian diplomat and philosopher, famous for writing The Prince and the Discourses on Living. Next, Titian, Italian painter, celebrated for his portraits of Pope Paul III and Charles I, and his later religious and mythical paintings like Venus and Adonis and Metamorphosis. Next, one of the most important person in Renaissance period, William Tyndale, English biblical translator, humanist and scholar, burned at the stake for translating the Bible into English. And then we move on to the great personality of English literature, John Milton. He is a great English poet and historian who wrote the epic poem Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained. And then we move on to the one of the most great personality and celebrated dramatist of English literature, William Shakespeare, England's national poet. William Shakespeare called as England national poet and the most famous playwright of all time, celebrated for his sonnet and plays like Romeo and Juliet, Julius Caesar, Merchant of Venice, Othello, King Lear. He is famous for his tragedies. And then Raphael, Italian painter who learned from Da Vinci and Michelangelo, best known for his paintings of the Madonna and the School of Athens. Next, Michelangelo, Italian sculptor, painter, and architect who carved David and painted the Sistine Chapel in Rome. Thank you. Thank you so much, students, for listening this video. Next video, we will discuss furthermore details about Renaissance. Thank you.